Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you PC enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32GB DDR4 RAM, and why it's considered the best RAM for Ryzen 5 3600X on the market. If you're building or upgrading your gaming PC, this is a must-watch video. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about some key features that make this RAM stand out. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro offers exceptional performance, stunning aesthetics, and seamless compatibility with AMD Ryzen processors. With a 3600 MHz speed, it's perfect for high-performance tasks, including gaming and content creation. One of the first things you'll notice is its striking design. These RAM modules feature a sleek black design with a unique RGB lighting system. Corsair has equipped these modules with 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per stick, allowing for millions of lighting patterns and colors. It's not just high-performance RAM, it's also a showpiece for your PC. Installation is a breeze, no extra wires or cables needed. It's compatible with both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. Specifically, if you're rocking an AMD Ryzen 5 3600X processor, you'll appreciate the optimization for AMD systems. Corsair has made sure this RAM works seamlessly with Ryzen CPUs. To customize the RGB lighting to your heart's content, Corsair provides the powerful IQ software. It allows you to sync the lighting effects with other Corsair components in your system, creating a harmonious visual experience. You can choose from various presets or create your own unique lighting profiles. Now, let's talk performance. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well. The 3600 MHz speed, combined with CL18 latency, ensures fast data transfer and responsiveness. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running resource-intensive applications, this RAM won't disappoint. Now, let's discuss the value proposition. Despite its high-performance capabilities and stunning aesthetics, Corsair has managed to keep the price very reasonable. When you consider what you're getting, 32 GB of top-tier RAM, it's a fantastic deal. You're getting both style and substance without breaking the bank. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what other users are saying about the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. It has received rave reviews with a 4.8-star rating from over 23,000 users. People love its ease of installation, performance boost, and, of course, the mesmerizing RGB lighting. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32GB DDR4 RAM is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their PC's performance and aesthetics. It's optimized for AMD systems, making it the best RAM for Ryzen 5 3600X users. With its impressive speed, RGB lighting, and competitive price, it's a win-win. If you're serious about your PC setup, this RAM deserves a spot in it. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech tips. If you have any questions or if you've used this RAM yourself, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.